Close your eyes and imagine being enveloped in the tranquil embrace of a rainforest. As dusk descends, a gentle symphony of raindrops begins to dance upon the verdant canopy above. The rhythmic patter of rain creates a soothing melody that seeps into your consciousness, luring you into a state of deep serenity. The symphony intensifies, as if orchestrated by nature itself, with each raindrop harmonizing with another in perfect synchrony. The cascading showers orchestrate a gentle lullaby, their delicate percussion forming a soothing cadence that transports you to a world of tranquility. As you surrender to the mesmerizing chorus, your eyelids grow heavy, and the sound of rain becomes a tender lullaby, guiding you into a peaceful slumber amidst the magic of the rainforest. Listen.